Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for your next comedian? Put your hands together for Craig Lillard.
You guys doing? You guys having a good time? Yeah! Ooh, that's nice. I like it. You guys excited? Spring has sprung. Doesn't it feel great outside? Love spring, but I hate the allergies. Who's got allergies in here? Sneezing all the time? My wife hates it because I'm like an extreme sneezer. I'm X-sneeze. You know, I'm not like you ladies. A lot of you ladies have these sneezes where it's like... Sorry, you know. I had a girl in high school, she sneezed like this, she'd be... What are you shooting lasers out of your sinuses? I extreme sneeze. I'm like Bruce Lee when I sneeze, man. I work it up. I'm like... Wipe my nose like this. My wife hates it when I sneeze, but that's okay, because I hate holding her purse. Guys, am I right? Is this a nightmare? Why don't you just neuter me? We're at the mall, honey, can you hold my purse? She gives me her purse, runs off into the bathroom. Do I hold it like she does? Throw it over the shoulder, put my thumb through the strap and do this? No, I hold it like this. So no one will think this is my purse. Do some bicep curls. Sorry, dude, just getting in a few sets. It's all right. Do some triceps. Like, what am I afraid of? Like some big burly guys over there looking at me? Look at that sissy boy over there. He done got himself a lady's handbag. It doesn't even match his shoes.